when I use this little brush, that means is I want to scratch. Yes, very slowly. This one, please. Thank you. I have no time. Go. So gentle. Nice. Okay. You see?
Sepia?
I make some very dry brush here. You see what happened, huh? I don't need so many colors in my palette. I just need dry. I have many more the little brush. It's very cheap. Remember, cheap is the most important. Because I use this very rude, see?
Yes, you don't treat him good.
Yeah, you don't need to to use the Kowinski or something to then the animal will into your dream and ask you why you treat me so bad.
Using the ferrule as a...
See, you can do something interesting detail, see? Something. Detail.
Almost like oil.
Just like oil, yes. So my first is very wet, more water, and now less water. If you like, use a knife. It's just more. Sometimes, see, I don't know what it is. Maybe for give some information and do something. Okay, window. Okay, this is my first watercolor method. Now I use oil skill dry brush to fix some window. So the first is very natural or very romantic, you know. Romantic this for the first, very romantic. And now I'm very classical to make everything better. And to see the before what happened, see now the window or something will come out. But before I just several brush, very free.